Right, this is the boss's 2025 Range Rover Sport. Lovely thing. We're putting new wheels on it. So just setting out getting these plastic caps off. Doesn't come with a tool, so these are going to come off. We're going from 22 inch to 23 inch. So it'll be very nice once it's done. It's going to look the absolute dog's nuts. So I'll set you up, get these wheels off, get them changed over. Well, this is a very, very nice car. So, first thing I'm going to do is put this car into jacking mode. So, ignition on, cars in park. Volume. Let's go mute. This is the home menu on the screen. I'm going to scroll through the options. I want to go to where it says wheel info. And I can select wheel info now. And I've got options of 4x4 information, TR modes, ride height, and weight settings. So go to ride height. I've got 3 options. So I've got off-road, which obviously raises the vehicle, normal, which is a nice steady, and then access. So access is what I'm going to set it to, which is currently already on there. And then I'm going to press the lock. So this is now locked at access height. So it means that I can jack the vehicle up. Suspension is not going to sag. There's not going to be any issues with the suspension wise. When I've finished, again, unlock it. I can set the road to normal accessing, such like I have to have the vehicle running. But wheels need to come off, so locked suspension height. So these are the SV wheels. I actually really, really like these. They look dead smart. Huge brakes, huge calipers. Very, very cool on this vehicle. We're going bigger and we're going better. Nice. Right. Look at these new wheels. Oh my god, that's heavy. So what we're thinking, do they look amazing or what? Very, very swanky. And I've a bit OCD about this. The valve cap and the centre cap should always line up. Beautiful. On to the other side. Just whilst I'm cleaning up these calipers with the brake dust, this car's only done about 700 miles, so literally just dust off. Look at the intricacy of this rear suspension. So you've got an air spring, upper arm, another upper arm, another upper arm. You've got a drop link to your anti-roll bar at the bottom. You've got one lower arm, you've got one heavy duty one that holds the rear suspension up. I mean, that's insane. So complicated, but yet so effective and efficient. That's an amazing bit of kit. I mean, the bushes on the back axle about the size of my head, and even the discs are significantly sizable. So yeah, just give these a quick smooch up, and then the last wheel can go on. Lovely. And there we have it. All four 23-inch wheels are fitted. Looking absolutely fantastic in the sun. As I say, it's a 2025 Range Rover Sport. Got the SV wheels that were fitted. In replacement for these, I think these are autograph wheels or autobiography. They look amazing. They really, really suit the car, especially with the red calipers. Nice. It's warm out here today. So yeah, we've got Range Rover. Lovely. Right, let's get in the car, let's unset the suspension, and hopefully, because they're genuine wheels, the tyre pressure monitors will pick up. They may just need to be recalibrated. Hopefully it can be done through the computer. Fingers crossed. Right, oh, the interior in this car is lovely. Very brave because it's like a white leather, and I couldn't have that in my. I would break it anyway. Let's get into here. So let's go and say, right, wheel options. Yep. Please start vehicle to view. Foot on the brake. Press the start button. And we are off. So ride height. I can then unlock. So what I can do is I can set this in here to off-road height. and then when start raising itself accordingly. Rear first, then the front. So that's your off-road height. Then we can go back to normal. You have to have the doors closed. Close that door then. There we go. And now adjust its height accordingly. So that's pretty perfect. That's all working. And on a positive as well, right, you can see it's got a little bit higher mileage than I thought. I let 1,194, but there's no warning lights on the dash for the tyre pressures. And yeah, we are good. So we've got a wade sensor, so you can set the ride height there. Different types of suspension modes. Go back to home. Can I see the... Surely you should have a... I thought you'd have the tyre pressures on here, but maybe not. No, that's it. Wonderful. Back to the main menu. Lovely. Right. Job done. Very happy with that. So there we have it. The wheels are on. Everything's all cleaned. Everything's working accordingly. There's no warning lights. Suspension's working. So all that's needed now is to go for a road test. Make sure there's no knocks and bangs or anything like that. It's a brand new car, so I'm not expecting there to be. And I will leave that for Gareth to sort. So yeah, very, very happy. It's a very nice little install there. Perfect. Super. New wheels fitted, and they're looking absolutely incredible. Very, very happy with that. Nice little job, and what an amazing upgrade to that vehicle. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this, hit that thumbs up button. So just to give you a quick recap before I close this video off. The car's gone from 22 to 23 inch wheels. The new wheels have been ceramic coated in a GTechniq Wheel Armour, which is really nice stuff to use actually. Apply, buff off, job done, and that should give up to 2 years protection as well. And yeah, this is a very nice little upgrade. So that's it for me for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.